If you've ever wondered how to bend in Tinkercad, the first thing you need to know is that Tinkercad does not have a built-in bend tool for solid objects. But don't worry, there are still easy ways to create a bend effect, and in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest methods step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use shape generators to make curved parts, how to use a Scribble-style approach for simple bends, and how to get the look you want without wasting time trying to force a straight shape into a curve. This is perfect if you're working on 3D designs, prototypes, mechanical parts, or any project where you need a bend or curve in Tinkercad. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Tinkercad and go to your design workspace. Once you're inside, look over to the Shapes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find the regular basic shapes. But what we want here is the section called Shape Generators. In some versions, you may also see featured shapes or community-made tools. Click on the Shapes dropdown and switch over to Shape Generators. Now use the search bar and type in words like bend, pipe, or curve. Tinkercad often has community-created shapes that can help you build a curved object much faster than starting from scratch. If you see a bend-style shape, drag it onto the workplane. Once the shape is on your canvas, click on it so the Inspector panel appears. This is the part that lets you control the shape settings. Depending on the generator, you may be able to adjust the angle, the radius, the arc, the thickness, or the overall curve. These sliders are what help you shape the bend exactly the way you want. Take your time here and test different values. A smaller radius will usually make the bend tighter, while a larger radius will create a smoother curve. If the shape looks too sharp, increase the curve amount gradually until it matches your design. This method is one of the easiest ways to create a bend in Tinkercad because you don't need to manually model every detail. Now, if you can't find a shape generator that fits your project, there's another simple trick you can use for more basic curve designs. This is the Scribble tool. To use it, go back to the Shapes panel and find Scribble. Drag it onto your workplane, then click to start drawing your path. Instead of drawing a straight line, sketch a curved line that follows the bend you want. Keep the motion smooth and simple. Once you finish the line, Tinkercad will convert that drawn path into a 3D shape. This is especially useful if you want a custom bend that doesn't need perfect engineering precision. The Scribble tool is great for creative designs, decorative curves, and quick concept models. It gives you a smooth, bent look almost instantly, and because it's drawn by hand, you can make it match your idea very closely. If you need a more structural bend, like something for a pipe, tube, or bracket, the shape generator method is usually the better choice. But if you just want a curved visual shape, Scribble is fast and simple. Here's another helpful tip. After you place your bend shape, use the standard Tinkercad tools like resize, rotate, and align to position it correctly with the rest of your model. Sometimes the bend is right, but the placement needs a little adjustment. Zoom in, check the angles, and make sure everything lines up before you continue building your design. And remember, since Tinkercad works best with basic shapes and simple operations, the key is to think creatively. If you can't bend a solid object directly, you can often recreate the same effect with a curved generator, a Scribble path, or by combining and subtracting shapes in smart ways. So to quickly recap, open the Shapes menu, switch to Shape Generators, search for bend, pipe, or curve, then drag the shape in and adjust the settings in the inspector. If you want a simple curved curve, use Scribble and draw the bend by hand. Both methods can help you create a convincing bend in Tinkercad without needing complicated modeling tools. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.